House. Ma'am, magpapakilala po muna kami. Kami po ay from Sowis Car Surprise Delivery. So, may kumontak po sa amin na isang nagmamahal po sa inyo para i-surprise sa kayo ngayong karawan. Although,
Kaya pala tagal-tagal na pa-pipik.
so, may pinadala po siyang letter, ma'am, para sa inyo. Basahin ko na lang po. Okay po. To our dearest Mama, we wish you a happy birthday. First of all, we thank God for another year of your life and for the coming years to come. We hope that He will always guide and bless you in everything you do. Good health and more blessings. We wish you all the best and a year full of happiness and love. Just a simple message for one of the most beautiful mother. We're so grateful and blessed to have a mom like you, Mama. We cannot thank you enough for the unconditional love and everything you've done for us. Again, happy birthday, Mama. We love you always. Salamat sa mga sakripisyo mo at guidance. I love you so much, Mama. Salamat sa lahat, Mama. You're the best Mama in the world. Stay healthy and pretty as always, Mama. We love you so much, Mama. Once again, happy birthday to the one and only beautiful and best Mama in the world. Cheers to a wonderful year ahead. Love, May, and Jam.
Thank you, Be. Thank you, mga anak ko kasi inyo.
Ay, ako din ako kay Mom.
Surprise! Akala ko, sabi ni Ina, picture, tagal-tagal na sabi ko siguro may gagawin to. Akala ko meron kayong dala ng mga cake na iyaan sa akin. Ayun, meron o.
Ano po message niyo, Ma'am?
Mga anak, May, Jam, thank you very much. Na-surprise ako. Naiyak tuloy ako ngayon.
So yan, Ma'am. Happy birthday po.
Salamat sa inyo. Sa inyo
Sino po?
lahat. Salamat.
Happy birthday